everybody, and welcome to Kids Connected. Today I'm going to show you how to use the annotate feature so your child can write on the screen and be more interactive during the lesson. So let's go on over and learn. So once you get the Zoom link from your teacher, you're just going to put it in your bar and click enter. And launch meeting, open Zoom meetings. Oh, and there it is. Let's go meet Miss Lori. All right, here we go. So we're going to hit join computer audio and click video. All right, and let's go on over. And here we go. We're going to go up here and click view options. And you're going to see these little settings. We're going to click the annotate. And there it is. There's the drawing bar. And as you can see, there's multiple different options. We can draw in red. We can draw in yellow. We can change the colors. You can even use stamps. Super cute. We can do arrows if you want to show the teacher something. And then we can erase just specific things that we don't like, specific lines. If you want to clear everything, what you can do is you can go over here and click the garbage can that says clear. And it clears all of the things that you wrote. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for joining. Bye.